Hey, what's up guys, this is Ash with The Case Theory. First of all, we would like to thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. At the start, the whole idea of having a YouTube channel was pretty crazy and nerve-wracking for us. Thanks to your support and our relentless passion for cases and technology, we actually made it to this point. This seemingly small milestone would not have been possible without you guys. Moving ahead, we have a whole lot of amazing videos to share with you guys, so if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe right now. For those of you who are not aware, the cases that we are reviewing today is made by the owner who is a YouTube reviewer himself. While we feel that the cases from Gen 1 were slightly underwhelming, the second generation cases from Rebel are easily one of the best cases around, and here's why. The first case that we're going to take a look at today will be the Gen 2 crystal case. The packaging is a cool looking shiny silver box that has a picture of the case on the front. You could also refer to the bottom for the case type and model. At the back, you'll get a whole lot of information such as descriptions on the features as well as the materials that makes up the case. Right at the bottom, you could also find what is included in the box, which is of course the case itself, a FlowLab Nano Armor glass screen protector, a microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, as well as a dust removal sticker. At $29.90, we thought it is actually quite a good deal also considering the fact that not a lot of cases comes with screen protectors. To unveil the case, simply slide the tray out at the bottom. Do not panic when you only see the case as the other items are neatly placed in an envelope right beneath it. Our first impression of the Gen 2 crystal case is that it looks like a premium case with a transparent back that promises style with protection. We honestly like how the case feels really sturdy even on its own. Besides the letter R engraved on the inner side, there are no other obvious branding which gives the case a really clean overall appearance. Upon installation of the case, we quickly noticed that the case has a pretty tight grip on the iPhone. This could be a really good thing if you're the kind that sticks with one case for a very long time. If you're into switching cases all the time, then just make a mental note that you might need more time when removing the case from the iPhone. Other than that, the case has a really solid construction with a transparent back that looks incredible. The same transparent material on the back is claimed to be scratch resistant and will not yellow over time. Alright, let's talk about the features of the case. The buttons protrude nicely and are extremely tactile. The mute switch toggle is exposed and is easily reachable. There are ample lips to protect the screen area as well. In case you need a little more protection than that, there are 4 raised bumpers around the edges on the front to provide further protection for the screen. The ergonomics at the bottom are spectacular as well. Besides the asymmetrical cutouts for the lightning ports and speaker grills, there is a slight depression here for easy non-interrupted swiping actions. This same area has also been smoothed out should you need a place to rest your pinky. On the reverse side, there is a good amount of protection for the camera lenses as well. Just like the front, there are raised bumpers around the edges on the back to provide even more protection for the camera lenses and the back. If by now you think this might just be the ultimate protective case, you're actually right. The owner was practically obsessed about making a case that could withstand all kinds of drops and conducted countless drop tests himself. That actually explains the layers of defense the case has to offer. When it comes to cases with transparent back, having fingerprint marks is an inevitable issue and a small price to pay for the added elegance. Having said that, it is relatively easy to wipe them off the crystal case with the microfiber cloth that is included inside the box. It also goes without saying that the case is not MagSafe compatible, but it is still able to charge wirelessly. Now, if you think that the crystal case already made quite an impression, the next case that we're about to show you will blow you away. The second generation Rebel case is easily one of the best protective cases we've ever seen. Just one look at this case will assure you that it will do a brilliant job at giving the ultimate protection for your iPhone, minus the bulky appearance that usually comes with traditional protective cases. The first thing that will draw your attention would be the honeycomb design on the inner side of the case. We've had the case on our iPhone 12 Pro Max a few times, and it is impossible not to rub against the smooth rubber-like material at least a few times every time before installing it on our iPhone. Besides that, there is also the letter R engraved right in the middle of the MagSafe sign. The next thing that we notice is that the Rebel case uses the same kind of TPU material to protect its circumference. This means that the covered button designs and the ergonomics at the bottom is exactly the same as the one used for the crystal case. What gives the second generation Rebel case the reputation of being an incredibly sturdy case would have to be the aramid fiber material on its back. In case you guys are clueless about the nature of this material, the aramid fiber is known to be one of the strongest kind of synthetic fibers around. It is also definitely a must to mention that the twill width pattern design with raised bumpers on the edges gives the case a rugged overall appearance. Before we end our video, we have one last thing and possibly the best thing about this case to share with you guys. We saw the claim that was made on Rebel's website about this case having MagSafe magnets that are 30% stronger than the original one. Initially, we thought that the claim was pretty bold until we tried it out on a MagSafe charger ourselves. Indeed, the magnets were way stronger than any other magnets for the cases that we have tried so far. We've finally come to the end of the review. Hope you guys enjoyed our video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.